Sit her down.
Oh, you poor me.
Too bad they don't make snowshoes for dogs.
Yeah. Oh, baby girl. I don't say she can go pee.
Oh yeah, she can. She did this morning. See, she's going to pee right now. What the hell?
Ah,
Isn't that the girl you catch the bus with?
no.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Grab her. Step in that yellow snow. It's right there.
I know.
Where yellow spot?
There's some right here.
That's what she did this morning. Put it down.
Are you sure we should do this?
Just put it down. Oh, I guess she's done.
Yeah.
Open the door.
Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba.
Come on, Blind.
Come on.
We need a seeing-eye dog for our dog.
No, baby girl. Come here. Come here. Come on. No, dog. Baby girl, come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Bubba. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Inside. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Come on. You know what I'm saying? You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.